With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us solve this question. The question says that consider the following statements at room temperature. First, CO2 is a gas while SiO2 is a solid. Second, SiCl4 is easily hydrolyzed. Third, boric acid shows hydrogen bonding. Select the correct statements. So in this question, three statements are given, 1, 2 and 3. We have to find out the correct statements. Right, so in first statement it is given CO2 is a gas while SiO2 is a solid. So this is absolutely correct. In at standard conditions of temperature and pressure, CO2 exists as a gas whereas SiO2 exists as a solid. If we talk about CO2, so it has a simpler molecular structure in which carbon is bonded to two oxygen atoms. So in CO2 we have different molecules of CO2 and each having a simpler molecular structure. Whereas if we talk about SiO2, it is a network solid. It has a giant structure, right? In SiO2, each silicon atom is tetrahedrally bonded to 4 oxygen atoms. So if we look at the structure of SiO2, it will be like this. We have silicon and it will be bonded to 4 oxygen atoms tetrahedrally, right? Here we get silicon, then here we get silicon. So this type of giant structure will be there in SiO2, right? So it is a network solid. It is a network solid. So at room temperature, CO2 is a gas while SiO2 is a solid. So this statement is absolutely correct. Then in second statement, it is given SiCl4 is easily hydrolyzed. So this is also correct. If we see SiCl4, we have SiCl4 like this. So here silicon is the central atom and silicon has vacant d orbital. So when it reacts with H2O, so it can be easily hydrolyzed because in H2O oxygen has lone pair. Since silicon has vacant 3d orbital, it has vacant 3d orbital, right? So it can accept these lone pair of oxygen into its vacant 3d orbital. So from here we get SiO H, we get here positive charge, and here Cl, Cl, Cl and Cl. So now what happens, as you can see, this is a transition state. So this bond will break like this and this chlorine bond will break from here. So there will be removal of HCl and from here we get SiOH Cl, 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 right? So here one chlorine is substituted by OH, right? So this is the hydrolysis. In the same way, when 3 molecules of water will be here, then all these 3 chlorine atoms will be replaced by OH group. So in final we get SiOH, OH, OH and OH, right? So this is silicic acid. So this is also correct. SiCl4 is easily hydrolyzed. Then in third it is given boric acid shows hydrogen bonding. So let us see, we have boric acid. Boric acid is BOH thrice, right? So if we draw the structure, we have boron and this is bonded to OH, then here OH and here OH, right? So as you can see here, hydrogen is bonded to the electronegative oxygen atom. So if we take another molecule of boric acid, suppose we have here BOH, then here OH and here OH. So there can be a force of interaction between the hydrogen of one boric acid molecule with the oxygen of the another boric acid molecule, like this. Right, so this is hydrogen bonding. Similarly, we can draw one more molecule here, OH, and here OH, and here we get the hydrogen bonding. Right, so in this way there will be hydrogen bonding. This is hydrogen bonding. So boric acid shows hydrogen bonding, so this is also correct. So all the three statements are correct, so the correct option will be option 2, 1, 2 and 3, because all three are correct statements. So here option 2 is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.